Dear students, in the last class we saw that Ranga, a Ganguly, entered in Attila's house for stealing, and he made a neat bundle of all the jewelry and other valuables of that house. Now let us see what happened to Ranga. He was just starting to go out. He had just put one foot out of the gap he had made in the window when he saw Attila standing below, looking up expectantly. Ranga thought his end had come. He expected the dog to bark, but not Attila. He waited for a moment, grew tired of waiting, stood up and put his forepaws on the lap of the burglar. He put back his ears, licked Ranga's hands, and rolled his eyes. Ranga whispered, I hope you aren't going to bark. Don't you worry, I am not the sort, the dog tried to say. Just a moment, let me get down from here, said the burglar. The dog obligingly took away his paws and lowered himself. See, there, said Ranga, pointing to the backyard. There is a cat. Attila put up his ears at the mention of the cat and dashed in the direction indicated. One might easily have thought that he was going to tear up a cat, but actually he didn't want to miss the pleasure of the company of a cat if there was one. Dear students, when Ranga was just starting to go out, he saw Attila standing below looking up expectantly. Expectantly means hoping for something. Ranga thought his end had come. Everything is going to be finished. Generally, in such a situation, the dog would bark at the thief and inform the presence of thief to the family members. Here, Ranga also expected such a reaction from Attila. Instead of barking at the thief, Attila started to show his love towards the thief. He tried to say him no need to worry. He is not that type of dog. Now Ranga told the dog to allow him to get down from there. The dog willingly took away his paws and lowered himself. Ranga pointed to the backyard of the house and informed Attila that there was a cat. Then Attila ran to that place. One might easily thought that he was going to fight with the cat, but actually he didn't want to miss the happiness of the company of a cat if there was one. As soon as the dog left him, Ranga made a dash for the gate. Given a second more, he would have hopped over it. But the dog turned and saw what was about to happen, and in one spring was at the gate. He looked hurt. Is that proper? He seemed to ask. Do you want to shake me off? The hung his heavy tail down so loosely and looked so miserable that the burglar stroked his head, at which he revived. The burglar opened the gate and went out, and the dog followed him. Attila's greatest ambition in life was to wander in the streets freely. Now was the best opportunity. Attila liked his new friend so much that he wouldn't leave him alone for a moment. He lay before Ranga when he sat down to eat, sat on the edge of his mat when he slept in his hut, waited patiently on the edge of the pond when Ranga went there now and then for a wash, slept on the roadside when Ranga was at work. Dear students, as soon as the dog left him, Ranga ran towards the gate. Attila saw this and he sprang towards the gate. He became sad. He did not expect that the smuggler leave him. He looked so miserable. Saw the thief patted on his head. He opened the gate and went out, and the dog followed him. Attila's greatest wish in the life was to wander in the streets freely. Now he got an opportunity. Dear children, Attila liked his new friend very much. He would not leave him even for a moment. He lay before Ranga when he sat down to eat, sat on the edge of his mat when he slept in his hut, waited patiently on the edge of the pond when Ranga went there for taking water for washing, slept on the roadside when Ranga was at work.